Hello, everyone. So, thank you so much for tuning back in. And this is the next um, class. And the course is going to be continued on business credit. So listen, we have the bank account, right? We want to make sure, like we said in the other lesson, your business banking history is very, very vital to your future success of being able to secure those larger business loans. All right. The date you open your business bank account, and we can't reiterate this enough, that is the day that the lenders consider your business to have started. So let's just say your corporation, your LLC, it started 10 years ago, but you just opened the business bank account today. Guess when your business started? According to the lenders, it started the minute you opened that bank account. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on in that because there's so much misconstrued information when it comes to that. But that's the way it is, okay? The longer your business banking history, of course, the better your borrowing potential will be because you have that relationship with the bank. They're trusting you. And I've even known banks to actually put the relationship that they have with you over the credit score. So that's something that you're going to need to look at as well. All right. Make sure that when you want to start a business, open up that business bank account as well. Okay. So having a high account balance is essential in an excellent bank rating. So having a good bank rating is essential for approval. Do you see how those things work together? Absolutely. We got to make sure that we're working together with the banks. I know a lot of times, we have these misconceptions of what a bank is, but they're really there to help you. You can leverage their tools for your success. All right. So try to keep that bank balance of $10,000 or higher for a high five bank rating. Okay. And you may say, well, CJ, I don't even make that much. And listen, watch this. If you have a job, okay, and then of course, let me give some disclaimers here. CPA, I am not, right? Tax professional, I'm not. Realtor, I am, but not your realtor, all right? Uh, Financial professional, life and health insurance license, I am, but I'm not yours, right? We know a little bit about how money works. And keep in mind that when you have that business bank account, what the bank sees, those dollars that come in, that's what they know. Okay, hey, all we know is this guy has this much in here each and every week. This lady has this much in here each and every month. All right, $10,000 or higher. You catch the drift. All right. One of the most common mistakes, right, when it comes to licensing, one of the most common mistakes when building the credit for your business is non-matching business addresses on your business licenses. Okay. If your city needs you to have a business license, you got to make sure that everything is congruent. Remember, in the last lessons, we got to make sure everything is congruent on the business licenses, on our formation paperwork, on everything, tax paperwork, everything, folks. They can't be, you can't have a, let's say, ABC company written on this paperwork and XYZ company written on that paperwork. They're going to be like, what in the world? Is this the same company? Nah, because they just have too much to do. All right. Even worse, right, is not having the required licenses for your type of business to operate legally. Like I said, required. If it's not required, is it required? Not if it's not required. All right. You will need to contact the state, the county, and the city government offices to see if there are any required licenses and permits to operate your type of business. Okay. Very important. Your business is your business, and you have to make sure that your business has the correct licenses so they don't call you on that. All right. So state business filings, got to make sure that those are listed correctly. Your county license and or permit filings, you got to make sure those are listed correctly. Your city license, the permit filings as well as the IRS. You guys saw that, right? Make sure you have the IRS filings, and I want to back that up. IRS filings listed correctly.